What's up, YouTube? RC's Finest back at you with another video, YouTube. I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to the previous subscribers. Thank you to everyone that's commenting, thumbing up the videos, thumbing down the videos, and just commenting. It's all good. It's all appreciated. It helps the channel out. Not a very big channel, so anything you can do to help it out would be great, especially by subscribing and hitting that notifications bell would be appreciated. That's all I ask for. Once again, y'all, back at you with another vid. This is a ground up again. You know, I buy rollers and build them up from the ground up. This is the Redcat Volcano Epx Pro with a few upgrades on it. Once again, I want to say thanks to everybody. Thanks to my lovely wife for allowing me to do what I love to do. And we're going to get through our situation. And with that said and done, hope everyone's family's doing well. Hope everyone's kids are doing well. Everyone's blessed and you're in good health. So, let's get into the video. Like I said, this is the Redcat Volcano Epx Pro that I built up. And I'm going to give you a rundown of what I did. And then we're going to get you guys right out of here. Videos aren't long. They aren't scripted. They aren't edited. It's just a raw video. That's what I do. So once again, thanks for subscribing, everyone. So what I did to this is I put the Dukono wheels on there. Dukono wheels and tires on it. Thought it looked really nice for a 10 scale. I could have used something else on here, but I like these. These is what I had on hand, so I put these on there. This is a stock body. I like the blue color with the black little graphics in it. Volcano body. This is Epx Pro body. This is the new body that they started coming out with. So I'm gonna pop the top, give you all a rundown what we did, and we out. So once again, y'all, give y'all a quick look at the inside. See what I did. Upgraded the servo, motor, ESC, fan. Couple hop ups on it. So what I did to this is I put 70 weight shock oil in the shocks. This comes with 8 shocks, so I had to do all 8. Make it a little stiffer. I didn't like that softness that's in there, so I made it a little bit more dampening, a little bit better for jumping and, you know, what we do, running on open fields and street and grass and football fields and soccer fields. So that's what we do. So what I did to this is I put the hubs, aluminum hubs, all the way around. C-hubs, knuckles, front and rear. You'll see the rear ones in there. I also put aluminum tie rods on here. Took out the plastic ones, put those. Plastic ones are real flimsy. I didn't like those. What I did to this in the inside is I used a Traxxas receiver box. You know, this doesn't come with a receiver box, so I put the Traxxas one in there. I have a lot of those. I like those. They're pretty big for what the stuff I'd put extra fans and all the extra wires I like to run. It fits in there, no problem. Upgraded the diff oil. Changed the diff oil. Front and rear. Put stainless steel screws all in it. Everywhere, stainless steel screws. Okay, stock battery tray for what I built this for my son. So what he's going to be running in is the 3 to 4S, and he's got the smaller packs, and they fit in here perfect. So we don't need anything too big for this one. Let me turn it around. Show y'all what I did to this side. So I put an NHX fan on there. Protect that motor a little bit, keep it cool. Pretty good fans. I like them. I use them in a lot of my cars. Medium high speed fans. Works good. I think that's a 30 millimeter fan I put on there. Mounted the switch right here. Easy to get to. This was the 3660 3800 kV motor with the 80 amp ESC, which I haven't had no problems out of the Surface Hobby combo. I put one in one of my other cars a long time ago, 8 scale and 6 scale or 8 scale, and it's running perfect. I had no problems with it. Never had a problem with it. I got fans on all my motors mostly anyway, and ESCs, so we really don't have a problem with overheating or anything. You just watch the temps with everything, like as usual with everything. Upgraded the servo, 30 kilogram servo, aluminum servo horn, aluminum servo arm that I just made that out of some stock I had, the orange. Put an aluminum steering rack in it for him. Took out that plastic. Turnbuckles up front. Like I said, I did the hubs up front. Shocks. Everything else, I'll show you the bottom of it. I didn't do too much to the bottom. I just got stainless screws everywhere in the bottom. Nice and light, plastic chassis. So these are really, this is HSP, I think it is. So these are pretty much commonly found everywhere. You can get parts for these no problem. And that's why I started him out on this platform where it's easy to get parts. Everything's online. These HSP parts are all online. Anything you want, you can get it. They got hop-ups for these, anything. Went with the orange wire loom on the motor. Went with the blue on all the fan, servo, ESC. Y'all see that? You know, I like to use the wire loom. Okay. He's just running the Deans on here because that's what his batteries are, which is fine for this. You're not running a bunch of current through this, so this is fine for this build. But yeah, that's what we did to this. Put the Dukono wheels on it, hopped it up a little bit. Runs really good, it's strong, it's fast. And that's what he wanted. I just built stuff around what people asked me to build it around. He had a budget to spend, and you know, I try to stay in that budget. Of giving him somebody a nice platform, whoever it is, you know, if I'm building it for a customer or whoever, you know, I try to do what they ask me to do, plus I give them a little bit more. So that's the Redcat Volcano EXP Pro with the Dukono wheels on it. Looking really sweet. Came out really nice. Yep, came out really nice.